Hello again everybody. Today I'm going to show you a really cool mathematical trick that does not use playing cards. What you're going to need is a calculator. This is going to be an interactive trick, and then I'm going to show you how it's done. So get your calculator out and here we go. What I want you to do is turn your calculator on, hit clear, and enter any 3-digit number you want. So I'm going to put in 845. Now, I want you to repeat that number. So I'm going to hit 845 again, and you hit the same 3 digits again. So now you have a 6-digit number. I have 845,845. Now we're going to get a random number to multiply it by. So I'm going to roll the dice and try and keep it in screen, and we're going to multiply it by 4. So take the number you have right now and multiply it by 4. Okay, and equals. So now I have 3,383,380, and you don't. So that would be pretty cool if I can tell you what your number is right now, but I'm going to tell you something about your number. I think your number, you can take the prime number 13 and divide 13 from your number and you'll get a whole number. So divide the number you have right now by 13. Okay? Now, do you have a whole number? Good. Now you take the number that you have right now and divide that number by 11. You should also have another whole number. And now, one last time, the number that you have right now, take that number and divide it by 28. Hit equals, and the number you're looking at should look familiar. It should be the same 3 digits that you started with. So I'll do this the same over here with this number. We'll divide by 13 equals, we'll divide by 11 equals, and we'll divide by 28 and equals, and I'm back to 845. Now the way this works is anytime you take a 3-digit number and you multiply it by 1001, you will get the same 3 digits repeating. So if we take the factors of 1001, they're 3 prime numbers, 7, 11, and 13. Now if I just said take a 3-digit number and repeat the number and then divide that by 1001, that would not be very impressive. But if you take the number that you have and you divide it by 13, then you divide it by 11, then you divide it by 7, that's the same thing as dividing by 1001. But to make this look a little bit more random and a little more complicated, we took 7 and we're going to multiply 7 by any number that they come up with. So you tell the spectator to come up with a number from 1 to 10, or if you can multiply higher than that, a number from 1 to 15, and then you're going to multiply that by 7. So let's say they come up with the number 5. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to tell them to come up with a 3-digit number, repeat the 3-digit number, then multiply it by any number that they'd like to tell you what that number is. So you say, all right, give me a number from 1 to 10. They say 5. Multiply it by 5. What this tells you is you're multiplying this 5 by 7, so you know the last number you're going to divide is by 35. If this were a 6, you divide it by 42. 7, you divide by 49. So it's just making it seem a little bit more random because you're taking a 6-digit number that they've created on their own. They picked a number to multiply it by. They now have a number in the millions, and then you're going to tell them to divide it by a prime number. It'll be a whole number. That'll be impressive. Divide it by another prime number. You'll get another whole number, and then divide it by whatever 7 times the number that they gave you is, and that will come back to the original number that they started with. So I think this is a pretty cool little mathematical trick. Let me know what you think. Contest number 35 ends on Monday, June 18th. So check it out. The link to the contest is right over here. That's it. I'll see you next time.